Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to build a marketing funnel in HubSpot step by step. Ideal for businesses and marketers in 2026. Let's get started. A marketing funnel in HubSpot helps you attract visitors, convert them into leads, nurture prospects, and turn them into customers. HubSpot provides all the tools needed to manage every stage of this funnel. First, focus on the top of the funnel, also known as awareness. Use HubSpot tools like blog posts, landing pages, and social media to attract traffic. Connect HubSpot tracking code to your website to monitor visitor behavior. Next is the middle of the funnel, or consideration stage. Create forms and landing pages to capture leads. When visitors submit a form, their information is automatically saved in HubSpot CRM. Now, nurture your leads using email marketing and workflows. Create targeted email campaigns based on lead interests and behavior. Use workflows to automatically send follow-up emails and educational content. Then move to the bottom of the funnel, the decision stage. Use lead scoring to identify high-quality leads. Pass qualified leads to the sales team using deals and pipelines in HubSpot CRM. Track progress using pipelines and deal stages. Monitor how leads move from prospect to customer and identify drop-off points. Use reports and dashboards to analyze funnel performance. Track traffic sources, conversion rates, email engagement, and deal closures. Optimize your funnel regularly. Test different content, emails, and landing pages to improve conversions at each stage. In summary, building a marketing funnel in HubSpot allows you to attract, nurture, and convert leads efficiently. By using content tools, forms, emails, workflows, CRM, and analytics, you can build a powerful marketing funnel and grow your business in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.